All right, so how did I make $25,000 without investing $1 into real estate? So it was a wholesale. And this is something that we don't do very often, but I'm gonna explain the entire breakdown of this deal. This house was posted publicly on Zillow. It's not difficult, it's not impossible to find deals on Zillow, but yes, it is very difficult. With that being said, it was posted within 16 minutes. I reached out to the selling agent and I said, I want you to represent me. This is normally an incentive for selling agents where they can not only get commission from the selling side, but also the buying side. Somewhat of an incentive, right? Within 16 minutes, I was like, what do I need to offer for your seller to accept it? Obviously, wouldn't disclose that. I tried. I lowballed them at a $40,000 discount. It was posted for $285,000. Anything posted in the MLS for under $300,000 in Gilbert, Arizona is already a steal. So I lowballed them $40,000 below ask. They ended up accepting it. With that being said, during the 2-week period that we had for the inspection period, we were able to negotiate an additional $5,000 off. That means that I have this house under contract for $240,000. So how did I make my $25,000? The assignment fee. I knew that this property was not something that I actually wanted to purchase myself. With that being said, I know a list and a number of people that are cash buyers and also investors that are willing to take on that project at $300,000, maybe $350,000. So with that being said, I sent this property to all of my list of cash buyers at $265,000, meaning that I marked it up $25,000 and I presented it to them still at a decent price. But I put my assignment fee, which is a wholesale fee, and that's where I make the difference. So all I did was I saw a decent deal. I made them an offer. I increased my margin, right? I got it at a lower price. So instead of $280, it's now $240. Now, my only job is to reassign that contract for someone else to purchase it and to add my assignment fee. That simple. They put up the earnest money and they end up buying that property cash. Now, can this be done with every single property? Not necessarily, right? At the end of the day, the numbers still have to make sense for the person that is deciding to buy it. We work with a lot of cash buyers and a lot of investors, and we tend to understand what a good deal is. So that's the biggest thing. It's understanding your market enough that when a good deal does end up presenting itself, even if you don't have the cash to buy it, you can lock it up, get that contract, reassign it, and make the difference. And that's, a huge request for all of you guys. So far for 2022, we've done a total of 15 house flips. It's set to be one of our greatest years yet. And more than half of our house flips are actually sent to by the people that follow me on Instagram and on YouTube. And I pay them either a commission, a percentage, or a finder's fee. So if your excuse has always been that I don't have the money, that's not an excuse at all moving forward. If you are someone that wants to get into the real estate market, let's work together. Let's partner up. I will take care of buying the property cash. As long as you're good at finding deals, if you know someone that's willing to sell their house off market, and or if it's on market and you think that it's a good deal in which where we can come in as a cash buyer and be able to turn it around for a profit, send me a message right now. You can comment down below, but most importantly, the first link in the description is going to be my Instagram. Send me a message. You guys can subscribe to the channel. I tend to upload more videos about the stock market. But again, if your excuse has always been, I don't have the money, but I definitely have the time, this is an opportunity for both of us. You're good at finding deals. I'm good at paying for them. Let's partner up and let's flip these properties. I appreciate you guys' time. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.